This is a level 3 tub repair kit from tubrepairco.com. Here's a level 3 damage, floor crack to a fiberglass shower. First you're going to drill out holes on either end of the crack. Then you're going to spray foam in each hole and wait till the back pressure pushes it out. Let that cure for about 2 hours, then scrape off the excess. Scuff around the area that you're going to repair. Then you're going to mix your short strand fiberglass material. Spread it on about an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch thick. Give this about 25 minutes to cure. In the meantime, mix your color. You have gloss, gold, gray, and almond. This was closest to almond, so I used gloss to lighten it up, and a drop of gold was needed because it was a little gray. Then you're going to mix your product. It's always 4 parts resin, 1 part catalyst, 2 parts reducer, and stir well. Now use your 80 grit sandpaper and sand down the short strand fiberglass material. Feather around the edges, then go over the top. This does not need to be perfectly smooth. Then clean the area. Next you're going to mix your finish filler. Once you have this mixed, you'll have about 30 seconds to put it on. Spread a thin layer over the entire surface and then wipe around the edges. Now you're going to use your 120 grit sandpaper and sand around the edges, then sand over the top to make it smooth. Then clean the work area again. Now you're wiping on your wipe-on primer. Last you're going to spray your coating. Hold the sprayer about 12 to 18 inches away from the surface and fog on the coating. In between coats, blow dry the surface for about 30 to 45 seconds. Apply 4 to 5 coats until the damaged area is completely coated. After you're finished coating the repair, you want to clean out your pre-valve. Start by opening it up, dump out the excess product. Spray acetone on the inside of the jar, clean that out, spray your straw out, and then you're going to want to spray acetone through the system and give it a couple squirts at the very end. When you're finished, give your repair 24 hours to cure. If there's any rough areas around the edges, use your 400 grit sandpaper and wet sand around the edges. This is a level 3 tub repair kit from tubrepairco.com. Like, share, and subscribe, tubrepairco.com.